multiply whole numbers and decimals mini lesson. This is going to be very similar to what we just did if you happen to watch the last videos, but just a little bit bigger numbers. So here, multiply 1.6 times 245. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put our longer number on top, 245 times 1.6. And I'm going to ignore that decimal for now. I'm just going to pretend it's not there and solve the problem like I normally would. So 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27. 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14. Put that 0 down as a placeholder. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Add my two numbers up. 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 more would be 9. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. And then I go back and I look and I say, okay, in my problem, there was one number after the decimal point. That means here there needs to be one number after the decimal point. So one number after the decimal point, one number after the decimal point. So our answer here is 392.0. And if you didn't want to write that 0.0, you wouldn't have to since it's nothing. Okay, let's try another one together. 52.43 times 38. So I'm going to write my larger number, my longer number on top. 52.43 times 38. I'm going to ignore that decimal. I'm just going to take it out and pretend it's not there. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32, 33, 34. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 1 more is 41. Put my 0 down as my placeholder. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus that one on top is 7. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, it gets a little bit tricky because we got lots of numbers going on here. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 9 plus 1 is 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 1. And then I go back up to my problem. I have two numbers after the decimal point, so I need two numbers after the decimal point. So our answer is going to be 1992 decimal 34 for this one.